Hello everyone, welcome to onlineafricastore.com, the best e-commerce website ever. In our today's video, we will be explaining to our users the step-by-step way on how to navigate the website of onlineafricastore.com. So, once you come to onlineafricastore.com, after which the page load, the first thing that pops up is the login pop-up, in which you're going to log in your username or email and password as if you are already an existing user. Then for new user, once you come into the website, the first thing you do, you come to the sign up tab, then you key in your email address, your first name, your last name, your password, you confirm password. Then the next thing is, how did you know about us? In this place, in this space, you're going to key in how you actually got to know about us. It can be from friends, referrals, and our social media platforms, or whatever platform you're able to know, or whatever platform you're able to see our promotions and lands you to our website. After which you accept the terms of services and policy, then you sign up. But for now, since I'm already an existing user, I'm going to key in my email address. Then I'll enter my password. Then I'll click on sign in. In which after you sign in, the page now reloads and brings you to the store and bring you to the shop page, in which you're going to see our variety of products. You see a variety of products in which you could get to buy any. Now, once you come to the website, you'll be seeing our menus where you have our home page, the shop, the categories. The categories part where you get to see all the categories on the website, from the appliances, art and sculpture, art, craft and sewing, automotive parts and accessories, baby products, beauty and personal care, body cleaners, and so on and so forth. Then another part in the menu is the event. Once you click on the event, you could get to see all the upcoming and the past events listing that has been published on the site, just like the demo event listing, the EU African Business Summit, the launch of Christian Millionaires Book Club, Ghana branch. You see so many event listings. Then the next on the menu is the housing. The housing is for real estate, and that's in this category, or should I say, on this menu, you're going to see real estates, apartments, houses, lands that are for sale or for rent. Then the next is jobs, the job menu. On this page, you'll be seeing the job listing. You'll be seeing the job listing for various companies from our partners and also sponsored job listings. Then the next is businesses. Businesses, these are businesses and business names that are registered. These are vendors. These are vendors that have products, that these are partners, our partners on the website. Then we have clothing. On this clothing, you could submit a clothing design that you want us to showcase to our customers. And once we've gone through it and we feel like these are what our customers will be interested in, then it will be approved. Then from there, our customers could get to patronize and get your products. Then we also have more services. On the more services options, you get to see the arts and craft listing, the hotel listing, hospitals listing, tourism listing, travel listings, movies, our partners, then also our blogs. From here too, from here you could also get to sell your products. You can get to sell our blog, and this place we try to, on our blog page, you have variety of review, product reviews, videos, promotions, news and treats, and so many others. This is where we publish our news, interesting news, tips and tricks, and promotions for our customers. Also, if on the other hand, if you want to sell your products, you can come to the more listing and click on sell products. On sell products, you could get to register and list your product to your business. And you're doing this all for free. After which you receive orders to sell your product, then you package and ship it with Ace. That is for those who want to partner and be our vendors. So on the shop page option, you can navigate through the website. You can navigate through the website and also go through the various categories. You can see the beauty and personal care, the clothing categories, the electronics. You can see the electronics categories. You can see the electronic categories and so on and so forth. This enables you to navigate through all the products on onlineafricastore.com. So we welcome our users, and for our users, if you can also go to your Play Store, get to download it on Play Store. If for iPhone users, you can go to the App Store and get to download our apps. So in our next video, we'll also be explaining new functionalities that will be added to the website. So for now, if you're a new user, I'll all encourage you to sign up and get the best product from onlineafricastore.com. However, get to click and subscribe on our YouTube channels and follow up on all our social media platforms. Thank you.